So, hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about real-time data analytics projects for your resume, and it applies to beginners as well as professionals. So, hi again, and this is Tripathi Aditya Prakash, a full-time data analyst, and here to help make your dreams come true if you are trying to get into data analytics job, and if you are trying to upgrade in your job, again, it's a dream come true. And actually, this was a comment that I got to make this video, so I'm now going towards comments videos also. So yeah, let's talk about why real-time projects actually matter, because they show the potential employer that you can solve real-world projects, and they aren't just not to help you talk about technical skills, but also makes your resume stand out by showing that you have actual problem solving capabilities and what are the technical aspect as well as the technical thinking combined with the business thinking so that you can actually go through it. So this adds a lot of value in your resume. So let's talk about various projects one by one. So first one is customer segmentation with K-means clustering. So this project will use customer data that you have. You can use Kaggle or any other platform for it to group similar customers that are there using the clustering algorithms that are there. Just for this example, I'm taking K-means clustering. So what you will learn in this and what skills it will demonstrate in your resume is you will learn data manipulation, then you'll learn about clustering, which is a very important part, and then various visualization skill that are essential for business analytics part of it. And let's talk about its various application. So you can apply these skills to any kind of industry that is there that has a large customer data set, because all of the industries will have a customer data set and it will be huge. So you can consider an example of retail or finance that makes it highly anticipated for these kind of job, and fintech is really filled with it. And I'll talk about the next project now, which is sentimental analysis on social media data. So since a lot of companies are now focusing on digital marketing and data driven marketing, so it comes in really handy that you have this project with you. So in this project, you will gather social media data from platforms such as X to analyze public sentiment on what kind of things are there. There is also Reddit, but I'll not recommend to trust Reddit for any kind of social media data on a huge level because it has a lot of bias. So take that with a grain of salt. I'll consider X or Twitter formally. So you can analyze public sentiment to and on those trending topics that are there, or various brands or projects. So projects that are happening as well as the products that are happening, so you'll get a better understanding there. And what skills it will demonstrate, it will show that you'll have technical skills such as web scraping using Python, beautiful sub libraries there, you can use that. And then you have NLP skills also, and there is also a text block that you can use for sentimental analysis. I won't say to go much into deep learning, deep analytics. You can use libraries such as text blob to just visualize it and analyze it. And you'll also show a skill of data visualization there. So it's a huge advantage because word map and all those you'll have to display. So it comes in really handy. So now talking about the applications. So these skills that you demonstrated in this project are particularly valuable for roles in marketing analytics or digital marketing, and then various brand analytics or competitor analysis, like how the sentiment is towards your product and what other products are there and your competitor also. Or you can make any data driven decision like how the product is performing, so that you can understand what are the customer sentiments towards it, because customer sentiment analysis is the key. Like if you don't know what your customer wants, you can't do anything, right? And then one last project that I'll talk about, even though it's a bit repetitive, like it has been repeated a lot of times, but if you want to get started, I'll just talk about this project, is credit card approval predictive model. Since I'll recommend beginners only to use it, because it's more like a showcase kind of project that you're keeping. So use it with that. So this project, what it will show, that it will involve building a machine learning model so that you can predict what the credit card approval rate will be based on the applicant's data and how you will do it. And first, let's talk about what are the skills that it will demonstrate. So you will practice the data pre-processing part, and you can use Scikit-Learn's classification models for it. And you will also talk about the model evaluation, because if you'll make the model, you have to evaluate also, right? So that you will do. And it is a solid introduction to machine learning as well as predictive analysis, which is a huge part in data analytics now. And the application for it, as I was talking about, it's relevant in role of finance, fintech, as told earlier, and any field that leverage the predictive modeling for decision making. So it comes in handy there. So yeah. And I'll talk about some of the tips for showcasing projects on your resume. So focus mostly on impact, okay? So like highlight the impact of your project by including matrices wherever it is possible. Like for example, I created a model that predicted customer churn with 85% accuracy. So it's a number and it shows higher percentage. So it makes your work that you're done more tangible, and it will highlight more in terms of HR or whoever is filtering your resume. And use visuals, like include visuals. If you have built a dashboard, you can make a portfolio that will actually make it stand out more. And GitHub is a great place, right? Like you can store your project code and you can add screenshot there in your repo only to showcase your work. And now coming on to various resources and mentorship. So you can go to my Topmate account and you can book a call with me. And if you want more resources, as you guys have been DMing me all over, so if you are ready to dive into these projects, you will need some resources, right? So I have a resource pack that is on sale right now for $4.99. It will include a lot of data kind of related things, such as cheat sheet, guides, and what essential projects that you need to do with code as well as examples. And there will be more than 600 plus guides there, cheat sheet there. So you can get that for $4.99. And right now it's on sale. It will again not be on sale. So grab it quickly. And for more personalized thing, like everyone needs a teacher, a lot of us, I also did. So you need help, like you're tackling the your portfolio, making it. So you can join my mentorship program. And right now, again, that one also is on sale at $199. Add 19 more. I just was playing. It's basically 2000 minus 1. I wanted to play with you guys. So yeah. So right now it's on sale. Grab it as soon as possible, because see, it's a limited. It will first evaluate you, like whether you are worthy of it. Worthy as in you are actually interested in it, because I don't want everyone to enroll in it. So it's a bit understanding process. And then we'll have a one-on-one call, and then I'll decide whether you should be declared in that one, because as of now 30 students have enrolled and they actually want to learn. So yeah, so in that you will work on with me on one-on-one basis, and that will enhance your skill. We will make projects together. And you can book a mentorship program through Topmate, as I was talking. And yeah, and with that, it's a wrap up. And thank you for tuning in. And real world projects that are there are not just built on your technical skills. A lot of things are involved in it, but it does make your resume stand out. So if you're ready, let's hop on it. Let's do it. And check out my link tree for more of my social link, where you guys connected and asked for this video. I'll wish more of the comments will come and I can make more of the things that you guys want, other than the ones I typically do. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own project ideas, comment, so that we can learn together. And it's a community, right? I'm trying to build a community. So more the merrier. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.